Beginner's Guide to Angular. Angular is a powerful front-end framework that allows developers to build dynamic and interactive web applications. It is maintained by Google and offers a range of features that make it easy to create robust and scalable applications. Understanding Angular basics. Before diving into Angular, it's important to understand some basic concepts. Angular uses TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, which adds strong typing and object-oriented features to the language. Getting started with Angular. You'll need to install Node.js and the Angular CLI command line interface. Once you have these set up, you can create a new Angular project by running new my app in the terminal. Angular fundamentals. Angular follows the MVC, Model View Controller, architecture, where components are the building blocks of the application. Components represent different parts of the user interface and can be reused throughout the application. Angular overview. Angular offers a wide range of features, including two-way data binding, dependency injection, and observables. These features make it easy to build complex applications with minimal code, helping developers be more productive and efficient. Beginner's Angular tutorial. We will cover topics such as setting up the development environment, creating components, and handling user input, giving you a hands-on experience with Angular. Conclusion. In conclusion, learning Angular is a valuable skill for any web developer, and our beginner's guide is the perfect starting point.